Hello and welcome, Victor here from Motor Watching Crewe. Today presenting this Volkswagen Golf SV 1.4 TSI SE DSG finished in grey color. Powered by 1.4 liter petrol engine producing 125 PS and paired with smooth DSG automatic transmission, this Golf SV offers refined performance with everyday practicality. At the front it features smart black radiator grille with chrome inserts and halogen headlights with daytime running lights. This example sits on 16-inch Toronto alloy wheels, and at the rear it is finished with subtle roof spoiler, rear wash wipe and twin exhaust tailpipes, giving it neat and balanced appearance. The boot offers very generous and highly practical load area, ideal for family life. Variable height boot floor and low-through provision as well as split folding rear seats provide excellent flexibility. In the rear, passengers benefit from good headroom, free adjustable head restraints, ISOFIX mounting points and fold-down center armrest with cup holders, making longer journeys very comfortable. Up front, the cabin is solid and well laid out with comfortable seats featuring manual lumbar support and central armrest with storage. The raised seating position improves visibility and overall driving comfort. The leather-trimmed multifunction steering wheel places key controls within easy reach, while the clear instrument display behind it provides essential driving information at a glance. This vehicle is equipped with manual air conditioning, which helps maintaining comfortable cabin temperature, and composition media infotainment system offers DB radio and media playback, as well as phone connectivity with Bluetooth for hands-free calling and audio streaming. You also get car menu settings with access to vehicle settings, sound preferences, and other settings, such as ThinkBlue Trainer, which allows you to monitor driving efficiency and habits. You also get performance monitor and vehicle status to view vehicle data and driving information. Additionally, Park Pilot at the front and rear will help you with maneuvering thanks to the parking sensors. This has been a presentation of the Volkswagen Golf SV 1.4 TSI SE DSG. For more information, visit us online or give us a call.